Hi, what's up? Welcome to Richstart Insider. Today we're gonna talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. And what about AMC and cryptocurrency, and also Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency development around the world? Could Bitcoin and cryptocurrency go away in future? That's what we are gonna talk about today. And Bitcoin is now 47,000, so it has been consolidating between 45,000 and 47,000 for some time. What is consolidation? If you are new to the stock market and cryptocurrency, consolidation means stock or cryptocurrency has been moving up and down, between the two price range. At this for now, Bitcoin is between 45,000 and 47,000. It has been moving up and down, so it hasn't broken out for 50,000 yet. So that's called consolidation. So consolidation, a lot of people have been buying and selling around this price. So we might be seeing breakout sometime pretty soon. It can be breakout or it can be breakdown. So Ethereum similar. 3300, it hasn't moved so much. It hit for 39,000 on September 6th, then it dropped to 3200. So it has been moving between 3200 and 3400 sometime. Dogecoin has been 24 cents for some time. 1 week it's the same, 24 cents. It hasn't moved much, yet. Shiba Inu jumped because of Coinbase listing, but it hasn't jumped more than 0.00009. So I want to see only 440 behind the decimal. So that's what I'm interested in. Otherwise, I'm not interested to buy Shiba Inu. And it's really important. Do not buy based on what other people buy. Based on the fundamentals. So what projects and what developments they have been doing. So it's really, really important to focus on fundamentals and not so much on what your friends say. It might be already too late if everybody is talking about it. It's already too late. And most people don't know what they are talking about. So remember that it's really, really important to study. Hey, what's the project behind this cryptocurrency? ADA has been around between 2 and 3, so it hasn't broken out yet. So nothing much, but I like ADA, Cardano, I like Ethereum, I like Bitcoin, AMC. Pay in whatever cryptocurrency you want, but please come back to movies. AMC is accepting Ether, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Do you know why? Because they know that cash is trash, so they want cryptocurrency. So if you're buying $20 movie ticket in Bitcoin right now, let's say the Bitcoin jumped to 100,000 in 1 or 2 months, whatever the amount. So whatever that you pay in $20 is now $40. So they know that they want your cryptocurrency. The Tesla, they want Bitcoin. So all the businesses want cryptocurrency because they know that the cash is gonna depreciate in value. Mark Cuban said crypto regulation is not necessarily bad, so he welcomes the regulation because he wants to prevent criminal activities. Absolutely, the government should prevent criminal activities. So if they can regulate the cryptocurrency, then they know that anybody who wants to commit crimes, it can be money laundering, it can be human trafficking, anything. So that's really good thing. Yeah, I believe so. I believe it's a good thing. And how about other countries? Other countries are also recognizing Bitcoin. Cuba doesn't make it legal tender yet, just not like El Salvador, but this is a good step. In Cuba is recognizing Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency says Bitcoin, so which is good. They are going to regulate it. They're not gonna ban it. But remember, so China banned it. Russia doesn't have cryptocurrency, so we need more and more European and Western, bigger economies to recognize and accept it as a legal tender for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to prosper. So that's really important. And another good news is Hungary. Hungary has a statue honoring mysterious Bitcoin founder. A lot of people are taking photos. If you look at it, they just probably right next to the Microsoft office. Look at that. So statue anonymous Bitcoin founder and in Hungary. Hungary never talk about cryptocurrency, not that much, but they have a statue. It's definitely a tourist attraction, just to take photos and stuff like that. So, but I don't think it's gonna have a big impact on other things unless they probably recognize as a legal tender. So, is there any chance that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency could go away in future? It's possible. Ray says if Bitcoin is really successful, regulators will kill it. Regulators don't want that control because if everybody is buying cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, so the dollar's value gonna go down. So I mean, the Federal Reserve, they don't have a control how to stimulate the economy. So if nobody is holding the cash, the dollar gonna go down. They don't like that. So I believe there's a chance, the possibility that Bitcoin they gonna control it, but I don't think they're gonna ban, because banning the cryptocurrency, if they ban the blockchain technology, that's gonna be really bad. The blockchain is the future. It's like the internet of 2021. So could it happen? It happened because in 1934, President D. Roosevelt signed a Gold Reserve Act. It happened before it happened to gold because everybody was rushing to gold because of the inflation. So in 1934, the President Roosevelt signed the Gold Reserve Act. What does it do? So basically transfer ownership on gold in the United States U.S. Treasury. So they paid $35 per ounce. One it was only $20 to get all the gold. So that means individual basically needs permission, license. They use the acquisition, transportation, importing, exporting, and possession of gold. They regulate it. They regulate it. So it happened before, but one good thing about this act is that Treasury will use it. They can use ESF right now, Exchange Stabilization Fund. What is ESF? ESF basically regulate the exchange rate. So right now, let's say €1 is 1.80 US dollar. So they want to make it stabilize. They don't want it US to plummet. They don't want US dollar to appreciate a lot either. So it's good for the trade. If it's fluctuates so much, it's not good for the trade. So yeah, because of this they can buy or sell gold, foreign currency, financial security, and other financial instrument to control dollar's value. That's a good thing. President Nixon already earns it comfortably of US dollars with gold. It wasn't President Roosevelt, it was Nixon, President Nixon who ended the convertibility. So people cannot buy gold anymore. So because of inflation, because people start buying gold instead of just a US dollar. So he ended it. So it happened before, but I don't think it's gonna be so bad. But you can always take your Bitcoin to other countries to sell it. If that happens, Bitcoin is portable. You just need a device, private wallet. So that's one thing. If you hold cash or hold gold, it will be very difficult for you to transport to other countries. So if you are the first time to cryptocurrency, welcome. I'm gonna give you the crypto gift. Click the link down below. You can get free Bitcoin coin and cryptocurrency by using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.